From Fibonacci breakouts to macro wave projections, the XRP train could be barreling toward all-time highs. So, how far can it go? And when? Stay locked in. Welcome back to TJ Crypto World, where we dissect the market with laser focus and no sugarcoating. In today's deep dive, we're covering the explosive breakout of XRP, the recent technical setup, analyst predictions for July, and the potential rocket path toward $20 by 2025. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to TJ Crypto World, and turn on the bell so you never miss a critical market update. Let's rewind briefly. Yesterday, XRP stormed its way back to $2.32, reclaiming territory it hadn't touched since mid-June. This wasn't just another bounce, this move ripped through a descending triangle, slamming into the 0.618 Fibonacci extension on the hourly chart before easing slightly. The push was backed by two catalysts: a strong rebound in the broader altcoin market and renewed optimism around the Ripple vs. SEC legal saga. That combination lit a fire under XRP. Now, enter technical analyst Casey Trades, who's been tracking XRP's breakout meticulously. According to her June 30th report, XRP is in a confirmed breakout pattern. But the story doesn't stop at $2.32. Casey laid out a clear game plan. First, XRP needed to retest the macro level around the 0.382 Fibonacci extension, a classic move to convert resistance into support. As of now, XRP has done just that, pulling back to around $2.22, slightly under the 0.382 level. It's the textbook move before a larger continuation, and analysts are watching for a bounce. If XRP regains upward momentum from here, the next resistance zones are pegged at $2.69 and $3.04. With RSI showing bullish momentum, the technical door is wide open. But things get spicier. A follower asked Casey Trades what her July target was, and she didn't hold back. Her projection: XRP could rally to $6.50 by the end of July, with an extension to $8 not out of the question. These aren't just big numbers, they represent new all-time highs, shattering the previous ATH of $3.84 set back in January 2018. From the current price of $2.22, that's a projected upside of over 192% for the $6.50 target and a massive 260% if XRP reaches $8. And she's not alone. Another well-followed analyst known simply as the Analyst echoed the $6.50 projection, citing the same breakout pattern and long-term Fibonacci setups. He even suggests that a parabolic rally to $9.50 is technically feasible. George Tung, a respected name in crypto commentary, supports the $8 target but offers a slightly more conservative timeline, suggesting XRP could reach that level by the end of 2024, rather than within July. But then comes the outlier, Waters Above, a crypto analyst with a reputation for bold, sometimes prophetic calls. XRP won't stop at $8. His forecast? $15 in July, dubbing the rally the beginning of an XRP summer. According to his model, a confluence of cyclical timing, sentiment shifts, and blockchain adoption could send XRP into the stratosphere within weeks. Sounds wild? Maybe. But remember, XRP has historic snapback potential. It's been compressed by years of legal pressure and uncertainty. Now, with the Ripple SEC case nearing its resolution, some believe the lid has officially blown off. Her response: yes, but with a condition: XRP must first break and hold above $13. If that happens, it would mark the beginning of what she called a fifth wave rally, with projected targets between $20 and $26. That's a 1,070% increase from where XRP trades today. This long-term view aligns closely with eGrag Crypto, another well-known analyst, who has a $27 price target for XRP within the current bull cycle. The key takeaway here is momentum. Once XRP clears one level, it tends to move violently to the next. And now that legal uncertainty is clearing, macro tailwinds are aligning, and XRP's infrastructure is expanding through RippleNet and potential partnerships like American Express, things are setting up in XRP's favor. If you're finding value in this breakdown, pause for just a moment, smash that like button and subscribe to TJ Crypto World. We deliver deep dive crypto reports like this daily, tailored to help you make sense of fast-moving markets. Now let's wrap with what you should watch in the coming days. 1. Retest confirmation. Keep an eye on that $2.22, $2.25 zone. If XRP bounces cleanly from here, we could be in for a strong push. 2. RSI behavior. If the relative strength index stays above 60 on the 4-hour chart, bulls remain in control. 3. Volume spikes. Watch for any sudden increases in buying volume, especially if accompanied by news related to Ripple partnerships or regulatory clarity. 4. Breakout levels. Set alerts at $2.69, $3.04, and most importantly, $3.84, which is the all-time high. A break above that would usher XRP into true price discovery. 5. Long-term trend line. On the macro chart, XRP is riding above its multi-month trend line. As long as that support holds, bullish sentiment remains intact. That's a wrap on today's XRP breakout forecast. From Fibonacci retracements to bold predictions of a $26 XRP, it's clear, this isn't just a pump. It's a movement. Thank you for tuning in to TJ Crypto World. If you're hungry for more deep analysis on Ripple partnerships, altcoin setups, or where Bitcoin's next move could take the entire market, check out the other videos on our channel right now. Stay informed, stay ahead, and as always, trade smart. I'll catch you in the next one.